Okay, well, we were dry as a bone this morning. Everybody screaming about rain. And we got some. Yay. These flowers, the petals were drooping. They were so parched. And the ditches. Ooh. I came through here before and it was just running water like crazy. You can see it's still running water like crazy. I need to kind of get these ditches cleaned out. But yeah. We got us some rain. Still raining. We've had some big rain, some big thunder and lightning. Got us a little waterfall there. Whew. And for this very reason, I'm barefooted, so you'll have to bear with me. And yeah, I'm from the south, so my feet are tough. I can do this. This is one of the reasons. Shoo-wee. Okay, I do have a shade cloth over my tomatoes because all this rain, and I'll have to work with this end a little bit, but all this rain and then the blaring heat, that's what kills them. And I have learned from experience. If you look at my garden right now, I've learned from experience, and that's why they're in these big tubs, because drowning my tomato plants and any other thing I'm trying to grow by putting it in the ground is not an option. So now I don't have to worry about them drowning. Cool. I do need to water the barrels. Let's go look and see. My oregano looks good. Russian olive tree. My bay tree. Basil. Purple basil, my absolute favorite. Everything else hasn't done real well. I do have some peppers. Some jalapeno peppers. And these are hyacinth beans. And then my nasturtiums. And my calendula flowers that I'm going to make salves and body butters with. Looking good. Looking good. I will have to pick whatever blackberries are left tomorrow. My dill is flowered out, so I need to trim that back. Thanks for watching. Grant's Little Acre. Like and subscribe because you never know what I'm going to show you. Bye.